points for attention in the installation of special chillers for new energy testing. The new energy vehicle powertrain test bench can be directly connected to the power output end of the electric drive assembly through the half shaft. The front end is equipped with high-precision torque sensors and speed sensors to provide high-precision measurement data in the industry. The measured objects are motors and reducers, including differential, integrated structure. The installation of the special chiller for new energy testing is an important link before operation, and the quality of the installation is directly related to the operation and operation status. If the special chiller for new energy testing uses a semi-hermetic or fully-hermetic compressor, an oil separator should be installed, and an appropriate amount of oil should be filled in the installed oil separator. When the evaporation temperature is lower than -15 degrees Celsius, a gas-liquid compressor should be installed. Separator and add appropriate amount of refrigeration oil. Secondly, the base of the compressor should be installed with a shock-absorbing rubber seat. Maintenance space should be reserved for the equipment, so that it is convenient to observe the adjustment of instruments and valves.